This video will show you how to place an order on the OnSite support website. First, you will need to log in to your account. Once you have successfully logged into your account, you will be able to see an overview of your dedicated team, including their contact details. Within your account, you will be able to view your favourites, your orders, your basket, your details. You will have access to the support hub, and you can change your marketing preferences. To browse products on our website, you can use the search bar on the right-hand side or use the categories along the top to find what you're looking for. From the product information pages, you can adjust quantities and add products to your basket. You will be able to make edits to the products and quantities within your basket. Once you have added all your products to your basket, select Proceed to Checkout and fill in your details. Make sure to update us with any delivery instructions in the Delivery Instructions box and include your PO number in the PO number box below. Once you have agreed to our terms and conditions, you can select Confirm Details to be taken to a summary of your order. You will still be able to edit your basket after this point. On this page, you will also be able to go back to edit your delivery details, download a PDF copy of your order, or check out using the Place Order button. To locate your order history from your account, select the Orders button on the left-hand side, where you'll be able to see all existing orders and requisitions as well as their statuses.